The slideshow is a series of mini workshops designed for on-the-go learning with easily digestible bullet point slides and helpful visual aids. You'll get my PDF notes sent to your inbox, plus an accompanying lecture when you sign up. In this week's installment, we'll be covering the essentials of skin barrier function, must-know skin signs for skin experts.
What happens when the skin barrier is damaged?
Imagine the skin like a brick wall that serves to protect your skin from the external environment. It keeps out allergens like dust, pollutants, and bad germs. At the same time, it also adapts to the environment. Healthy skin adjusts to changes in temperature, humidity, and is also adversely affected by disturbances in the microbiome. What you need to understand is that it is ultimately the balance in this ecological system that matters.
Master Skin Science with Dr. TWL.